Hey everyone, I'm going to go through example 7, okay, which is interpreting a travel graph. All right, I've got here on my screen the graph from the text. If you're unsure, you can go to page 439. All right, to have a look at this. There's also a great video on Cambridge Go if you can log on and view the video on there. The first question, question A, says, how far did the cyclist travel in total? All right, so along this line, we've got the number of hours, all right, along the bottom, and up the side, it's got the distance. It's at the end here, all right, it tells us that the total distance that they traveled, if we go across, is 30 kilometers. All right, so over the 5 hours, they traveled 30 kilometers. B asks, how far did the cyclist travel in the first hour? So if we go to the first hour and go up and then across to see how far they travelled, then we can see that it was 15 kilometres. All right. C asks, what is happening in the second hour? So let's have a look. In the second hour here, between 1 and 2, that's the second hour, the cyclist doesn't increase the amount of distance at all. It's like the cyclist isn't moving. All right, and we could just say that the cyclist isn't moving. And in the book they say the cyclist is having a rest. All right. So the flat line, horizontal, just means that the cyclist isn't going anywhere. In question D, when is the cyclist travelling the fastest? Now, this is a bit hard to think about when you just get told how far a cyclist is travelling over a certain amount of time, but the graph can show us really well. And we want to know where the graph is at its steepest. All right, so here it's flat, it's not doing anything. Here it's going up on a bit of an angle, but this line here is the steepest. All right, so that's where it's travelling the fastest. All right, so when it says when was the cyclist travelling the fastest, you would say in the first hour. All right, and question E, in the fifth hour, how far does the cyclist travel? So we go first hour, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we're looking at this hour here. They travel from 25 kilometers to 30 kilometers. So we would say, what's 30 minus the 25? That equals 5 kilometers. So in the fifth hour, the cyclist traveled 5 kilometers. All right. Really well done, guys. I hope you're going okay. Remember, can you please write down all this information that I've got here? Okay, as if I were going through the exercise in class. All right. The same with this one. You're welcome to draw that in. You don't necessarily have to write the questions in because there is a lot of writing there. But please write down the answers and have a go at the questions in exercise 8D. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.